like a brand new person.
Hey guys, so I'm here with yet another hair tutorial, and today I will be using my hair that I love so much from her hair company. The style that I was going for today is inspired by the singer SZA. I know she's known for like her big curly hair, and I saw a picture of her on Instagram where she had like a middle part and she just had like this big curly situation going on, and I was like, oh my god, like I totally need to do that, so I'm doing that for you guys today. I am like the queen of fast and simple, so this is like a super easy hairstyle. Like basically all I'm doing is wand curling my hair, but it comes out so good at the end. Like it makes it seem like you spent a ton of time doing your hair. So yeah, I'm using my Irresistible Me curling wand, and this curling wand is awesome because it comes with 8 different barrels. So yeah, I'm going to be using 2 of the barrels for this tutorial. This one is like the second from the smallest barrel, and I like it because it's all the same width all the way down, so it gives you like really pretty curls. And basically all I'm doing is curling my hair randomly. Like I'm just taking different size sections between like ½ an inch and an inch, and I'm curling some of them towards my face and some of them away from my face. So yeah, I decided to just speed this part up because it's basically like super straightforward. So for this style, I'm only going to be using this size barrel on the bottom half of my hair. I decided to go with the larger barrel on the bottom because I wanted to keep the length of the hair. I didn't want it to get too short, so that was how I was able to keep it long. And remember guys, the smaller the section that you take, the tighter the curl is going to be. So I decided to take some big sections and some small sections because I wanted some of the curls to be tight and some of them to be a little bit looser. I didn't want it to be all uniform. Now that I've finished the bottom section of that side, I can separate my hair off on the other side and start doing the exact same thing. Now that I've pretty much finished the bottom half of my hair, it's time to switch barrels. As you can see, the other one's about half the size of the other one. So I'm going to be using this on the top half of my hair because I want the curls to be tighter and I want a lot of volume at the top. So basically, I am going to be doing the exact same thing that I did on the bottom, but with larger sections, because if you do too small of sections on this one, the curls are going to be way too tight, and I don't want to go for that look. I'm not trying to look like Shirley Temple or anything like that. So yeah, basically I'm taking probably like inch sections or like 1.5-inch sections and curling them, some of them going towards my face and some of them going away from my face, to get just like a big natural curly kind of look.
Tuesday and Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, I just keep them satisfied.
Quick side note though, people are always asking me if I'm from New Jersey because I always have Jersey club music in my videos. No, I am not. I am from Las Vegas. I just love this music for some reason. I'm not like a super fan of this exact song because I don't have time to be nobody's weekend, but the remix sounded so good, so I had to put it on this video.
I mean, I'm saying what kind of days is 2 days. I need me at least about 4 of them, more of them, more you, more me, more us. Just tell me you want me, yeah, one day, and I'll be at your door, ready to take a place, ready to give you.
As you can see, things are already starting to shape up a little bit. I'm really in love with like the shine on this hair. Like it looks so healthy and pretty. Like I absolutely love it.
Say you got a girl. How you want me? How you want me when you got a girl? In this backlist of knowing yourself is knowing I'm desperate, getting on it and falling all over love. Like we just last. SBF. You like 9 to 5. I knew it was gonna pop. Make you lose your mind every weekend. Take Wednesday, Thursday, and just send them my way. Think I got it covered for the weekend. I gotta say I'm in the mood for a little bit more. I mean, I'm saying, how you want me? How you want me? I need me at least about 4 of them.
Now it's time to blend in my natural hair, and I'm basically just going to be doing the same exact thing that I did with the extensions, which is wand curling it. The ones that I'm doing more close to my face, I'm going to make those go more towards my face because I want there to be like a lot of volume. But as you can see, my hair blends in almost flawlessly with this hair, so I really love that. So this side's pretty much done. I decided to go ahead and do the other side off camera because I'm basically doing the exact same thing. So yeah, now we've got to the part where we can make it big and voluptuous. Basically, I'm just running my fingers through the hair, and I'm not even being gentle or really even careful about this because for some reason this hair is just not that frizzy at all. So yeah, I'm just running my fingers through the hair, separating them out to make it as big as possible. You can really already tell the difference. Like all I've done is finger combed it out a little bit, and you can already tell a huge difference between the other side and this side and the amount of volume that there is. So I'm just going to go ahead and do the exact same thing on the other side, just kind of shaking everything out to make it as big as possible.
One day, and I'll be at your door, ready to take a place, ready to give you what you've been missing the weekdays, what you've been waiting for. 10:30, no later than drop them drawers. I know what you want. My man is your man, her is her man too. My man is your man, her that's her man. Tuesday and Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, I just keep him satisfied.
I'm pretty much good here, but if you want to add a little bit of extra volume, you can just shake it out at the roots, basically just running your fingers over the roots and kind of shaking it a little bit to make it even more big. So yeah guys, this is pretty much the finished product. I know it's not like an exact replica of how her hair looked, but it's just an inspired look, and I really love it. I hope you guys love it as much as I did, and if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next one.